Hi students, let's try to understand average rate of reactions and instantaneous rate of reactions. Okay, so both terms are quite easy. No, instantaneous means at particular time. This is what meaning is student, at particular time. And if you talk about average, if you are talking about the average rate of reaction, it means what? Between time interval. You say between time interval. So this is what is about our answers, students. Let's see the rate of change. What the point they are saying is, student, the rate change. So the rate change of concentration of species for an infinite interval of time. Infinite interval of time, student. And this side, instantaneous rate is the rate of reaction at a specific or particular point of time. So here what is there? Instantaneous mean point of time, and here is the interval of time. So two things you have to keep, like between 10 to 20 minutes, it means that is you have to go average, and at the 10th second if they are asking, or in 90 second, if they are saying 90 second. So in this case we have to go for the instantaneous. Let's have a look over the another point. It is mean for the time interval. Instantaneous rate is for the point of time in a reaction when dt is equal to 0. It is given by R average is equal to minus 1 by A dr by dt equal to 1 by B delta R by dt. R instantaneous is equal to minus dr by dt is equal to plus dp upon dt at a point dt is equal to 0. Okay, let us have some other slides also same time. The average rate of reaction is what? The rate change of the concentration of a species for an infinite interval of time. Instantaneous rate of reaction is the rate of reaction at a specific or particular point of time. It is a mean for a time interval. It is for a point of a time in a reactions when dt is equal to 0. It is given by minus 1 by A delta R by dt, and here is dr by dt. It occurs with ordinary long interval of time. It occurs within short period of time. It can be calculated for multiple reaction. It can't be calculated for multiple of reactions. So thank you so much for watching, friend. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to comments.